SpaceX's highly anticipated Starship launch was put on hold earlier this week, as engineers discovered a problem with a valve in the booster's pressurization system. Despite Elon Musk's prediction that the launch may be postponed, the news was a disappointment for hundreds of people who had gathered near the launch site in South Texas, eager to witness the event. But the wait is almost over. SpaceX has confirmed that it will attempt the flight again on Thursday, April 20th. The launch window opens at 9:28 a.m. Eastern Time and lasts 62 minutes. The Starship launch will be a major milestone in the history of space travel. Designed to be fully reusable, it has the potential to significantly reduce the cost of getting to space while extending SpaceX's dominance in the rocket launch business. The rocket is equipped with 33 engines, which will produce more thrust than any rocket ever has. Elon Musk's vision for the Starship is grand. He hopes that it will eventually take people to Mars, and the company has already received contracts from NASA to fly astronaut crews for its Artemis program to the surface of the Moon using a version of Starship. But first, the Starship will need to successfully complete its maiden voyage. The rocket is planned to rise to an altitude of 150 miles and travel most of the way around the Earth before splashing down in the Pacific off Hawaii. Glitches are not uncommon during rocket countdowns, especially for first launches of new rocket designs. As disappointing as Monday's postponement was, it provided SpaceX engineers with valuable data to improve the rocket systems for future countdowns. SpaceX and other media companies have been streaming video from the launch site, showing large crowds of people who have gathered to witness the event. As we eagerly await the Starship launch on Thursday, the excitement in the air is palpable. This launch has the potential to be a major milestone in space travel, and we will be watching with bated breath to see if Elon Musk's vision can become a reality.